How's it going today? Look at the beautiful truck. How's it going, guys? Thanks for watching. Welcome, everyone. I'm gonna do the rear shocks on my truck today. It just stopped raining, so figured it'd be a good time to get out here. I wanted to paint the rear frame and touch up some of the rust, but it's not gonna happen today. I want to get these shocks on before our awesome trip to Colorado. And man, the bugs are just crazy out here now. But yeah, so this shocks on, we're gonna go out to Colorado. That's why I've been doing a lot of this work to the truck on top of it just needing it. And I don't even have to jack it up. I went ahead and put some PB Blaster on there. I'm gonna get to pulling her off. So it's just that bolt. The nut's an 18, and this head is a 15. Same for the bottom. Wham! So yeah, don't even have to jack it up. Brought it out just in case, but I'll be fine just laying here. And I wanted to take care of some of this rust, paint over it, but with it raining as much as it did today and how humid it is, it's just not going to work out. I gotta go ahead and replace this Ford badge. It's starting to bubble on me. It wasn't like that 6 months ago. Man, it's really windy out here. I'm sorry if the audio is pretty bad. All right, another Rock Auto box. These are the shocks I ended up buying. FCS Auto. They were just the fairly cheapest ones that I could find, so I'm not doing anything too fancy back here. And they should do all right. These are probably the original shocks on here. I doubt they were changed. Nothing else has been changed. All right, light bar still doing good. Thing's super bright. I got new fog lights coming in today. So I'll have to get those in because these are really yellow now. Now that I've done LEDs and with that light bar, they're just really out of place. Still love the tires. These Combs Road Venture AT51s, highly suggested. I love the look. They're not loud. All around good tire. Can't wait to take them in the hills of Colorado. Hills or mountains, you know. Taking this thing out to Pikes Peak. Yeah, can't wait to go out to Pikes Peak and show you guys that. I lived in Colorado for 2 years and I never made it there. And it's gonna be super awesome. All right, I gotta get a wrench so I can get more leverage on that 18. This is not supposed to be a bush. I believe this was lavender and mint. This lavender is just crazy. I've trimmed it 3 times this summer. All right, we still have a mess in here. My peg bar is doing great. I need to get, I think I've got a magnetic strip I'm going to put down here so I can, these little things, I don't like them to hold pliers and stuff, because as soon as you take them out, they flop around and want to fall. So I'm going to work on that. I'm getting a magnetic strip up on this pegboard. But keep stuff out of the way. Lots more organization. A couple fishing lures up here. Googan Squad right there. This one's 10,000 Fish Company, I believe, the Death Stalker. Cotton stuff off both of those. All right, I need to come in here. Let's get about 9 of those guys. I don't want to wrench with that. Come up here. Let's get this set. Here we go. This should be good. All right. Let's get under here. All right, so this is the bottom setup of it. I've got my 18 wrench on that side, and she's on there pretty good, so I'm gonna use this other wrench, and we're gonna get some more leverage on there and get this thing out, which I'm sure the shock is still under load, so I'll have to be careful when I'm taking this bolt out. It's gonna want to shoot down a little bit. I got the top nut off, but that's still securing it in there. Man, I really wish I could get under here and paint this, but I'll have to do that someday. It's not so humid and everything's still wet. So, all right, I'm gonna work on getting that out and show you when it's out. All right, I got the nut off. Not the first time I said that. I'd like to take this out, get a new exhaust. I was looking at maybe a Flowmaster or something. Who knows? I think I saw Borla. It'd be nice to even hear what this sounds straight piped. All right, that's for later. Right now, we got this going on. So I'm over here laying on the ground doing this. It's going well. So, there we go. There we go. I'm gonna have to use some Loctite on these because I did not buy new bolts, and they're the nylon lock. So once that gets ruined, they're more apt to come off. But I'll clean that all up and use some blue thread locker. So that's not bad. Man, she is rusty in here. Let's get this other bolt off and pull her out. Kind of need 2 hands for this. So I'm going to set you down and then finish that. All right, here we go. Look at this. Whoop. I barely have to push that, and it pops right down. Go Extendo Gadget arm. But yeah, that's terrible. Probably wasn't the best view, but yeah, these have got to be original. There's like no effort to push that in there. Like there's a little hesitation at the beginning, and then it just plops right down there. Just one hand. All right, we got her out. I'm gonna go find my thread locker, and then put the new bad boy in. All right, I got the new one in, and it's not on the wrong, it's on the right side of the e-brake. Don't want to mess that up. And then I'm gonna cut the strap and then let her release down to there and get that bolt in real quick. All right, I can't film that because it'll be a mess, so we'll get back to you when I'm tightening it up. All right, just wanted to show you that that's my thread locker on there. Getting the top one put in, the bottom one's in. So here we go. I'm gonna put that nut on there and we'll get back to you when I'm done. This is going so smooth. Super happy with it. One of the easiest things I've done to the truck. Right, guys? All right. There we go. Look at that. That took care of a lot of rust in there, though. I wish I could get through this. It's driving me crazy that this is all rusty. I hate it. Wish I had a sandblaster. Maybe that'll look better for you. That's a good look. All right, guys. All right, everyone. Oh, that's one side down. Now I just got to do one more. Man, I can't get over those wheels. So awesome. Made such an improvement on it. You'll have to let me know if you guys like them. Go ahead and leave a like on the video. Show me you like them. Is it a thumbs up? I think so. All right, and get to the other side. All right, I just wanted to give you a close-up of the old ones compared to the new ones. Man, it's so nice to have fresh parts, huh? We got the FCS Auto off Rock Auto. So hopefully they'll last me quite a while. All right, got this side done. I am on the other side now. Come over here. This guy is out. I clean up the bolts. And we'll get this guy in here. All right. That's it. I'm done. That was fast. Took me like half an hour. And that was getting the tools out and walking back inside once. So, can't beat that. Rained all day. It was like 3 o'clock and I was like, hey, the radar looks like it's done, so let's get out there. I love easy projects like this. You can't beat it. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. There's cicadas are everywhere and they're so loud. Like as soon as I go back inside, that's all I can hear, ringing in my ears for like 10 minutes. Crazy. It's that time of year again. But I want to show you what tools I actually used. I got them out here laying on the ground. Here we go. So we got a rag. This is my leverage wrench. Used a knife to cut the straps that were holding them on. Got my blue Loctite, 18 millimeter wrench, and then 15 millimeter socket, 3/8 wrench, ratchet wrench. And my Ryobi Impact 3-speed. She's been good to me. I want to upgrade to a Milwaukee, but it's been good. The Ryobi's done all right. There's a few times where I could tell that it's just a little underpowered, but I'm not surprised. So yeah, new truck shocks, all all set to go to Colorado. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.